In this video you will learn how to use the iFixit app, a restorative approach that has been developed to give a voice to learners with additional support needs. This resource facilitates conversations between them and their families and teachers. Currently, the iFixit app is supported on PC, laptops and tablets. Visit ifixitapps.com to sign up for free. Your free account will have access to create up to 3 free learner profiles. Beyond these 3, if you require more, you can subscribe to as many as you need. Please refer to our FAQ for more information on pricing or contact us for more information. When you click on Create a Profile, you will see there are some icons to choose from. Select the icon of your choice, enter the learner's name, and click Confirm. Please wait a moment while we create the profile. There are a couple of features such as download and upload profile, but we're going to cover those in another video. Click Fix It to start the restorative conversation. Now is when you should hand over control to the learner. The first question is, what happened? In this example, the learner didn't want to work. Icons can be clicked or dragged into position. If an icon is clicked by mistake, just clicking on the icon again will put it back on the main board. Once answered, the right arrow will take us to the next question. How did it feel in my body? The aim is to enhance body awareness and to help recognize when external forces can impact the senses or internal thoughts. In this case, the learner is choosing a sore head and a sore tummy. The next page refers to different emotions that can be present at the time of the incident. Emotions can be very hard to recognize. The learner might choose, I don't know, which will highlight the need for help in building skills in this area. Let's imagine for this case the learner is aware that he was angry and tired. The visuals that follow in What Did I Do to Show It? Will help the learner self-assess their own actions when they are feeling a particular emotion. For example, they might have broken something, yelled, and run away. The same for the next question, who did I hurt? In this case, nobody was hurt. How do I think I made others feel? By trying to answer this question, the learner is required to think about a range of emotions in others. A very difficult task that could lead to the answer I don't know, highlighting again the need for help in building skills in this area. What can I do to help make it better? Maybe make a card? Some learners might prefer to write it down. Others might choose something different. Always support and praise their own choice. How has my day been so far? Unique to this question is a text field provided to record possible triggers. The learner can add, or be helped to add, valuable information about how the rest of their day has been. What can I do if it happens again? This is another crucial part of the restorative process. It gives the opportunity to explore different options and resources that will support self-regulation and self-management should the same challenging situation arise. Now I feel calm, ready to make a card, and happy to have spoken. This is the end of the restorative conversation. Following is a summary which is dated and associated with the learner's profile. Encourage the learner to read the answers slowly, as described in our FAQ section. If any options need to be added or amended, Just clicking on the question will return you to that specific board. In this case, we can take the opportunity to go back to the question, "How did it feel in my body?" and talk to the learner about how maybe he had a sore tummy because he was hungry. Allow the learner to click on "Fixed It" in the summary. It's now time to take back control of the app. Provide support with the final step, for example, making a card, and praise all efforts. Having fixed it, all the answers are saved and stored in the profile history, which you can now click on. It brings up a calendar which highlights the dates and times that events occurred and the restorative process took place. If you click on an event, it presents you with a corresponding summary. You will be able to record and monitor the progress of the learner, and you can print a summary if you wish. To add another learner's profile, simply tap on the plus sign and complete the process in the same way. This concludes how to use the iFixit app. We hope it's been helpful. Please don't hesitate to be in touch if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.